back to my kitchen. Today, I will be making a delectable, moist carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. Yum! One of my favorites. So if you are looking for a great carrot cake recipe, stay tuned and let's get baking! For this incredibly moist and easy carrot cake, you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of fine sea salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 1/4 cups of vegetable or canola oil, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 large eggs, 5 to 6 medium carrots peeled and grated, and some chopped pecans, but you can also use walnuts. And for the cream cheese frosting, you will need 200 to 225 grams of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 1/4 cups of confectioner's sugar, 800 milliliters of whipping cream, some chopped pecans, but you can also use walnuts for topping the cake. Step 1. In a bowl, whisk the flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon until well blended. This cake is quick and easy to make, versatile and utterly delicious. According to the culinary heritage of Switzerland, carrot cake is one of the most popular cakes in Switzerland, especially for the birthdays of children. Step 2. In a separate bowl, whisk the oil, sugars, and vanilla. The popularity of carrot cake was revived in the United Kingdom because of rationing during the Second World War. Then whisk in the eggs one at a time until combined. Carrot cake became popular in the 1970s. Step 3. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients in 3 pots. Did you know that carrot cake is one of America's favorite cakes? And using a spatula, scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl. Gently stir until the batter is smooth. Now stir in the carrots and nuts. Step 4. Divide the batter into 2 greased and floured 9 cm cake pans and bake for about 35 to 45 minutes. Now it's time to make the cream cheese frosting. Step 5. Beat the cream cheese in a mixer on medium speed until creamy for about 1 minute. Step 6. Now beat in the confectioner's sugar 1/4 cup at a time until fluffy. Then pour in the cream and beat on medium speed for about 1 minute. Oh no, it seems I have overbeaten my cream cheese frosting. But that's okay, we can still use it as a dripping cream cheese frosting. So cover and chill in the fridge until you are ready to frost the cake later. Step 7. Time to frost this delicious carrot cake. And remember to top with some nuts. All done. Let's give it a try. Wow, it's so moist and super delicious. Just the right amount of sweetness and it's so delectable. Wow, what a great carrot cake, and that dripping cream cheese frosting is amazing. So let me know what your favorite cake is in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you all next time. Goodbye.